Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize templates in Monday.com. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monday.com web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Monday? It's very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type Monday.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Monday. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to sign in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. Of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday. So now we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to create and customize templates. From this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the left panel of your screen and you're going to find your project. All right, you're also going to find a plus icon that you can definitely you can work with. So go ahead and click on that plus icon that says add item to workspace, and you're going to find a lot of features: work management, board, doc, and dashboard down to template center. So you're going to have to click on template center, and that's going to really take you to the template center. So right here you can now have a couple templates that you can definitely choose from. Here you have recommended for you. You have templates created in your account. That's if you've created any. So you have not created any, you have all templates. You can even choose to start from scratch. All right, so because we're starting from scratch, right, we're creating and customizing a new template. So you can go ahead and click on start from scratch to start a template from scratch. So head over here and click on start from scratch option, and here you have integrates where you can use any of these integrations if you want to. So scroll all the way down and you're gonna see this option, right? This is what it looks like. Okay. Template center. So start from scratch. And then go ahead and click on that and click on the use template button. So you can see now that it's creating your template, setting your automation in. So here you have a start from scratch. I can click on this to, of course, change this. That's to change the heading. So let's say scratch template, pretty much it. Now that's it. That's how you can use this template, right? So you can even go ahead and create, let's say, dashboard. So you can click on dashboard as another template and click on this drop down menu and click on more options. So once you click on more options, you're going to see that this option save as a template can be, all right, it definitely can be selected, but it says this action is only available for main board. So this is literally not a main board. So you can just go ahead and click on this and see if that option is going to be there. So yes, this is a main board. So you can go ahead and click on save as a template. And once you click on this to save as a template, this is your main board. You see that it has been created, right? So, and it comes created as a template. Even when you head over here and this plus icon and you head over to template center, and from your template center, you can go ahead and click on templates created in your account. You're going to find that this particular template that you created from the board is here and you can use it at any time. So this is pretty much how you can create a template and of course customize your templates in Monday.com. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.